Look, I told them this video wouldn't do well, and they still insisted on sponsoring it to test out their new filtered water bottle. That means it's gotta be good, right? Who would have thought sticking one of these in your bottle could make water taste, well, better? So let's check it out. If you're unfamiliar with LARQ, basically they're premium water bottles with a premium price tag because, quite frankly, they make your water taste premium too. This new filtered bottle version is no different. They still offer a stainless steel double-walled bottle, which means your water stays cold for up to 24 hours, all while looking like if Apple designed water bottles, it'd be this. Seriously, you want to show off that sleek LARQ branding so others know why you can't afford brunch anymore. The filtered version, as the name suggests, has a filter built into it. Essentially, a really large straw that catches all the gunk in your water that you may or may not see. This is all thanks to their nano zero filter technology, as your water could contain chlorine, pesticides, mercury, and even heavy metals, especially if you're filling up from some sketchy park fountain. So this simple yet sophisticated contraption is kind of like an ad blocker to prevent all of that from entering your body. And although it is made of plastic, it's thick, surprisingly sturdy, and everything just fits together without any additional screws or bolts to tighten down. So when you get thirsty, it's even easier to use, given now you can fill up from almost any water source you can find, some obviously better than others. But a common question I saw online was, how hard do you have to suck to get any liquid? So with a little NSFW test, this is a comparison of a regular straw bottle without a filter to the LARQ filtered bottle. Using the same amount of sucking force in each gulp, yes, you will get less per sip, but the trade-off is definitely worth it, as the backwash on the right tastes way better. Honestly, just think of this as a really advanced straw. Thanks to the low pressure design, you can simply stick it into any cup of water and know you're swallowing cleaner water. A few comments were also directed to the size of the opening, and while it won't fit any icebergs, its rounded off edges and steel design looks and feels sturdy that approximately fits 2 fingers in. So with a little finessing, I am able to fit quite a bit of ice, leaving enough room for the filter itself as well. Plus, when everything is closed shut, nothing leaks out, and even if you somehow accidentally carried your bottle upside down with it opened, it takes several hours before it caused any issues. And come on, this matte black with its non-scratch powder coating is the ultimate blackout EDC water bottle, especially when you consider this stainless steel design only weighs as much as my diary. So combined with the included carabiner, it makes taking this on the go possible with any sort of bag. Simply clip it onto any hook or strap, with the best part being you never even have to take it off to use. Straw life, baby. For the longer hauls, the smooth and curvaceous body makes it easy to slip into any pocket as well. But personally, I think it just looks good out and about, as it can transform any desk setup instantly into a Picasso. It doesn't even end there, it's the small details that really justify its costs. Like the large metal carabiner, while super sturdy and never felt like it was gonna give you up or let you down, the silicone coating protects it from constantly slapping the side of the bottle, as nobody likes the sound of metal on metal. You can also just completely ditch it for a slimmer feel all around. Finally, if you've already invested in their UV bottles, then fret not, because the lids are interchangeable. And better yet, whether you're filling up while traveling, at the office, or just out in public, if the water source is a little too sketchy, you can pop on the UV lid to kill all the bacteria, then pop the filter lid back on to ensure you're filtering out the rest of the junk. And while owning both of the lids may make your wallet cry, I guarantee you'll never have had cleaner or tastier water, and you will probably instantly become a water snob. Links in the description down below.